If you've ever dreamed of having a kitchen that practically runs itself, then this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best Amazon gadgets that will make your kitchen smarter, more efficient, and a whole lot more fun. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or someone who just loves gadgets, these smart kitchen tools will totally upgrade the way you cook, clean, and manage your space. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 1. It's a total game changer that you never knew you needed. So, make sure to watch till the end, and while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome tech and gadget finds for your home. Let's get cooking with some smart tech. Number 10. Smart Measuring Spoon. Imagine you're in the kitchen, ready to whip up a delicious dish. You reach for your ingredients, but wait, how much of that spice did the recipe call for? Enter the Smart Measuring Spoon. This little gadget is like having a personal sous chef by your side. With its sleek design and Bluetooth connectivity, it syncs with your smartphone to provide real-time measurements and conversions. Picture yourself effortlessly measuring out spices while following along with a recipe video, knowing you're getting everything just right. No more guesswork, just perfect flavors every time. Number 9. Instant Pot Pro Plus. At number 9, let's talk about the Instant Pot Pro Plus, the ultimate multitasker of the kitchen. Picture this, it's a busy weeknight, and you've got a million things on your mind. You want something hearty for dinner but don't have hours to spend in the kitchen. With this amazing gadget, you can pressure cook a stew in under an hour or set it to slow cook while you tackle other tasks. And here's the kicker, it connects to your smartphone. Imagine starting your dinner from the comfort of your couch, checking off tasks on your to-do list while your Instant Pot does all the heavy lifting for you. Number 8. Cosori Pro 2 Smart Air Fryer. Coming in at number 8 is the Cosori Pro 2 Smart Air Fryer. If you love crispy food without the guilt of frying, this gadget is a game changer. Picture yourself craving some crispy fries or chicken wings but wanting to keep it healthy. With just a few taps on your phone, you can choose from multiple presets tailored for different dishes. As it cooks, you can enjoy some downtime, maybe catch up on your favorite show while your air fryer works its magic. And when it's done, you'll be greeted with perfectly cooked food that's both delicious and healthier than traditional frying. Number 7. Keurig K-Supreme Plus Smart Coffee Maker. At number 7, we have the Keurig K-Supreme Plus Smart Coffee Maker, the dream machine for coffee lovers. Imagine waking up to the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting through your home without even lifting a finger. This coffee maker uses Brew ID technology to recognize your coffee pods and automatically adjusts brewing settings for optimal flavor extraction. And with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can start brewing from bed. Picture yourself enjoying that first sip of coffee while still in your pajamas, ready to take on the day. Number 6. Amazon Smart Plug. Number 6 is all about convenience with the Amazon Smart Plug. Imagine coming home after a long day and wanting to unwind in a cozy atmosphere without getting up from your favorite chair. With this little device, you can control any appliance in your kitchen, like turning on your slow cooker or lighting up your countertop, all with just your voice through Alexa. Set schedules for lights or appliances so that they turn on when you need them most. It's like having a personal assistant who anticipates your needs. Number 5. Echo Hub. Halfway through our listed number 5 is the Echo Hub, which transforms your kitchen into a smart command center. Picture this, you're cooking dinner and suddenly remember that you need to check if there's enough milk for breakfast tomorrow. Instead of running around looking for your phone or getting distracted by other tasks, you simply ask Echo Hub. It integrates seamlessly with various smart devices around your home, adjusting lights, checking security cameras, or even playing music while you cook. It's like having an extra pair of hands and eyes in the kitchen. Number 4. Smart Thermometer. At number 4 is the Smart Thermometer, a must-have for anyone who loves cooking meat perfectly every time. Imagine grilling steaks for friends on a sunny afternoon. You want them juicy and tender but don't want to risk overcooking them. This thermometer connects to your phone and allows you to monitor temperatures from anywhere in your home. As you mingle with guests or enjoy a drink on the patio, you'll receive alerts when everything reaches that perfect doneness level, ensuring everyone gets their steak just right. Number 3. Smart Compost Bin. Taking the third spot is the Smart Compost Bin, perfect for eco-conscious cooks. Picture yourself preparing meals and tossing vegetable scraps into this sleek bin without worrying about odors or pests invading your kitchen space. With its dual carbon filters, it keeps everything fresh while making composting easy and efficient. In just weeks, those scraps will turn into nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden, a beautiful cycle of sustainability right from your kitchen. You'll feel good knowing you're reducing waste while nurturing new life. Number 2. Smart Refrigerator. At number 2 is the Smart Refrigerator, which takes food storage into the future. Imagine opening up your fridge door and seeing exactly what's inside without digging through shelves or forgetting what's hiding in the back corner. With built-in cameras and smart inventory tracking, this fridge helps manage groceries efficiently, sending alerts when items are running low or even suggesting recipes based on what you have inside. It's like having an organized pantry at all times, making meal planning easier than ever. Number 1. Smart Oven. And finally, at number 1, we have the Smart Oven, the crown jewel of any smart kitchen. Picture this, it's Sunday afternoon, and you're preparing a feast for family and friends. With this oven, you can control it via an app or voice commands, preheated while finishing up those last-minute preparations without breaking a sweat. It integrates recipes directly into its cooking settings, adjusting temperatures and times automatically based on what you're making, ensuring every dish comes out perfectly cooked every time. And that wraps up our top 10 best Amazon gadgets for a smart kitchen. Which one do you think will make the biggest difference in your cooking routine? Or maybe you already have a favorite gadget that you can't live without? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're upgrading your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest smart home gadgets and tech tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.